Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you find the kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis. And make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have 1 inch token with a Tether US dollar, and basically 1 inch at the moment is seeing a price of around $2.87. Today we are up only 3 cents, or approximately 1.20% to the upside. This is how the chart looks like. We're in this let's just say supply zone, but nah, this is just a zone that a lot of things were going on. Basically the low of this bullish candle, so we're in the retest area, which I think that we're gonna be pushing to the downside, as you can see in my prediction. So we're just gonna be expanding the time periods and just modifying this thing up. Okay, so yeah, overall this higher thing that we're going to be pushing, we can just expand also this period to the upside, because that's where we head, and so on and so on. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how my prediction is moving. If you go and put the high lower low strategy, or this is the actual indicator, we can see that we made a lower low, lower high, then higher high above this high lower low right here. So at this point we actually surpassed this lower high right here, so this will be a new higher high, which we start to get in this uptrend position. But guys, we will see. Okay, on this moving average, we can see on the daily chart that we cannot see actually that, but if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we are, oh my god, this is really close. We are just below that. We are just below the moving average on a 4-hour time frame. But on a 1-hour chart, we can see that we are above that, because we passed through all of these highs right here, and we are in this high point into the market section. Okay, but at this point, we gotta wait, and probably will not be a great opportunity to buy for the long run. Basically right here, this is where I think that we're gonna be waiting to buy. But yeah, overall, this is for the long run, as I said. So right now we're finding a good entries to hold them for the long run, 5-10 years from now, and then cash out and have a lot of money, put them in something interest like DeFi or something like that, so we can make money while we sleep. And that's how we go into the moon, baby. So yeah, peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day, guys, and don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.